You can generate AI videos using Canva. To generate AI videos using Canva, go to the left side of your screen and select the Canva AI tab. There's a lot of options here, but since we're making a video, select the video clip tab. And from here, you can customize the video that you will generate. Just select premium because it's the free one. Here's the style, and it's only available in 16:9 ratio. You can even add audio and select the framing, and also you can add lighting as well. I'm just gonna select a few random styles here to give you an example. And I'm gonna do a random prompt, a drone shot of New York City, and it should start making my video right now. And as you can see, it generated a drone shot of New York City at golden hour based on the random styles I picked earlier. If you're satisfied, just click the download button up top and you have your AI video. But if not, you can just go back to the chat and adjust your prompts accordingly. Yeah, so that's how you generate AI videos using Canva.